I almost missed the plane to Mexico because I fell asleep.
What the hell is this?
My camera.
Oh, you have a camera, you have a phone.
But this is camera for memories. You don't want to remember the time I almost didn't make it to Mexico? And to Aruba?
Remember the times that I had to wake you up for Aruba because you almost missed the flight at Mexico? You too. Next time you sleep upstairs in the bed with me. Is this them? Oh yeah.
They have sing too! Happy birthday! It's sweating and I'm literally in a whole garage sweatsuit with socks on. Can now we just take a shower? Why am I always so sweaty? Face it all over. Yeah. I don't think we're staying at the Nickelodeon Hotel. I don't think so. We just spent like an hour in the reception lady office and grandma. Lady. Look, we're walking into the bathroom. It's like a little swim bathroom. Are you kidding me? I want to see her so bad. Oh my god, Plankton, Mr. Krabs, Squiddy, and Sandy. And look at like these little stepping stools that they have. Oh, big stretches. I'm gonna keep an eye out for SpongeBob. We're reading SpongeBob. This is so cute. I love it. Patrick. All those nachos. What? I didn't even eat the chicken. We are ready for dinner. Woo! Taking selfies. What? Ready for dinner. OTD. Urban. Abercrombie. Coach. In front skirt. Oh, that's actually such a cute pickup on. Bitch. How you like Mexico? It's alright. You have to start with salad?
No, you don't have to. You can do whatever you want.
Well, Aunt Lil says you have to start with salad, so we should. Mixed greens?
Mixed greens?
You didn't even grab the mixed greens.
I know.
I think they're crazy. It's all fine. It's burning my fingers. Burning my fingers. Oh, burning my fingers. Me, I have the camera in my hand. I'm like just watching her burn herself. This is all me and PG are eating.